Hello friends, welcome to my channel on which I keep posting this and that. Today friends, I want to share with you all one of my favorite songs and how I interpreted that song. ये गाना है फिल्म हम दोनों का जो 1962 में बना था। जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं एक पार्क में हूँ, इसलिए आपको काफ़ी चहल पहल दिखेगी, बच्चों के खेलने की आवाज़ें भी आएंगी। तो चलिए वो गाने के बोल मैं उसको किस तरह से इंटरप्रेट करती हूँ, मैं आपको सुनाना चाहती हूँ। ये फ़िल्म जो 1962 में बनी थी, ये ब्लैक एंड वाइट फ़िल्म है और इस गाने के बोल साहिर रुद्यानवी ने लिखे थे और इसका म्यूज़िक कंपोज किया था जयदेव ने और गाया था मोहम्मद रफ़ी ने। ये फ़िल्म में स्टारिंग है देवानंद और साधना। ये गाने है मैं ज़िंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया। ये गाना आपने कभी ना कभी सुना ही होगा। तो चलिए I'll tell you how I interpret this song, okay? मैं ज़िंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया। I went along with the flow of life, without expectations, without complaints, taking everything in my stride. हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया। Making light of all my worries because worrying won't solve the matter, but leaving it to God does. बर्बादियों का शौक़ मनाना फिजूल था. It is futile to mourn the losses and defeats. It just weighs you down and depresses you and puts you in the state of complaining and cribbing, because now the picture becomes gloomy. बर्बादियों का शौक़ मनाना फिजूल था, इसलिए बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया. So instead, I celebrate the defeats, the losses, which could mean I have the power of resilience and the vision to keep going despite all the odds on the path I chose, going along with the flow. जो मिल गया उसी को मुक़द्दर समझ लिया, accepting whatever destiny has dealt to me with grace, without complaining, learning to live with my shortcomings. अपनी खामियों के साथ जीना सीख गया, बिना कोई शिकवा शिकायत के, trying to overcome my shortcomings in all ways possible. Because I never had expectations in the first place, so I just accepted whatever Providence bestowed me with gratitude and humbleness. जो मिल गया उसी को मुक़द्दर समझ लिया, जो खो गया उसको भुलाता चला गया. I made light of the things which I never got and which I had lost, trying to forget them because they were never mine really. And even if they were mine, maybe it was just for a small period. After that, they had to go. I had to lose them. So, no worries, no complaints, just accepting the divine decision and going along with the flow. गम और खुशी में फ़र्क न महसूस हो जहाँ. Now this line is important and has to be explained with the following line. गम और खुशी में फ़र्क न महसूस हो जहाँ, मैं दिल को उस मकाम पे लाता चला गया. The sorrows nor the happiness affect me now. I have shall strive to bring my heart to that elevated stage where victories, happiness, achievements will not make me arrogant, nor the losses, defeats, humiliations plunge me in the pits of sorrow. I have just let myself flow with the flow of life, without bothering much about the earthly joys, sorrows, victories, pains inflicted by friends and foes. Friends, in the Sufi way of life, this state where गम और खुशी में फ़र्क न महसूस हो जहाँ, दिल को उस मकाम पे लाता चला गया. Bringing the heart to that state where the turbulations, trials and worldly things don't affect, neither the joys and success. Everything is insignificant. Striving to live in a manner that will never let success go to our heads, nor defeats plunge us into the depths. Just surrendering to God, the one and only God, the master of the universe. That is a Sufi way of life. That is how I have interpreted this song. Friends, if you have any other interpretation of this song or any other of your favorite songs, please do write to me in the comment box. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye-bye.